Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Disclaimer, this is not advice neither invitation to make an investment. Everything is done here for the purpose of education only. Trading is an activity that involves with risk of losing funds in your trading account, fully or partially. Always do your own research before making any financial decision. Alright, let's break down Euro USD using pure price actions on the daily time frame. First, zooming out, we can see the earlier in the year, Euro USD was in a strong bullish trend. Price formed a clear structure of higher highs and higher lows, showing strong buyer dominance. The bullish candles were clean with small wicks, which tells us buyers were in control during that phase. But notice what happened after July. The momentum starts to slow down, price stops trending and begins to move sideways, forming a consolidation range. This shift is important because it tells us the market is transitioning from trend to balance. Now look at the highs around the 1.18 to 1.19 area. Price gets rejected multiple times. That is a clear sign of strong resistance where sellers are stepping in. On the downside, the 1.15 to 1.16 zone continues to hold as support. Recently, price failed to create a new higher highs and instead formed lower highs, which signals weakening bullish strength. The candles also show more wicks and smaller bodies, indicating market indecisions. So, from a trading perspective, this is not a prediction zone, it is a confirmation zone. A strong break below support suggests bearish continuation, but a strong rejection from support could send price back to the top of the range. Okay, trade the reactions, not the emotion. Now let's drill down into 1 hour time frame to add detail to our daily price action analysis. On the higher time frame, we already identified EURUSD in a range environment, and the 1 hour chart helps us see how price behaves inside the range. Notice how price recently formed a series of lower high and lower lows. This confirms short-term bearish structure aligned with the daily consolidation phase. Look closely at the sell-off toward the 1.1670 to 1.1680 area. That move was aggressive with strong bearish candles and minimum pullbacks, showing seller dominance. However, after the drop, price printed a sharp bullish reaction, creating a long lower wick, which signals rejection from buyers at support. This is classic price action behavior inside a range, strong impulsive moves followed by corrective pullbacks. Currently, price is retracing back toward the 1.1720 to 1.1740 zones, which previously acted as support and now has the potential to flip into resistance. From the trading perspective, this is where patience matters. If price show bearish rejection in this zone, it supports continuation to the downside. But if buyer steps in and breaks structure with strong bullish candles, it could signal a deep correction upward. So the key takeaway here is alignment. Daily gives us context, 1 hour gives us timing. We trade directions, not guesses. And we let the price confirm the story. Now, let's talk about execution, how to make an entry, stop loss, and target based on what price is telling us. From the daily chart, EURUSD is still in a range, and on 1 hour time frame, we are seeing bearish structure. That means our bias is not to buy aggressively but to sell release at key levels. The first area to watch is at 1.1720 to 1.1740 zones. These zones previously acted as support, and after the breakdowns it becomes a potential resistance. We do not sell blindly here. We wait for confirmation such as a bearish rejection candle, strong support wick, or a clear lower high on the 1 hour chart. For the entry, the trigger comes after rejection is confirmed, not before. The stop loss is placed above the rejection high, where the trade idea is clearly invalidated. This keeps risk, control, and logical. For target, the first target is the recent low around 1.1680. Once price reaches this area, partial profit can be secured. The second target is the range support near 1.1650, which align with the daily support zone. If price breaks above resistance with strong bullish candle, we step aside. No trade is also a position. This is how professional trade, clear context, patience entry, define risk, and realistic targets. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe, and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.